Apple trade alert for the weekend of 12/17/21. Let's go. This is Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the trading agent, with the daily stock, Bitcoin, gold, and silver market recaps. Please check out the Discord room. Link is in the description. This is Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the trading agent, with a live trading alert for Apple. I like Apple here at the 20-day moving average. Keep in mind, let's pull up the Qs first because it's such a huge part of the Qs. I think if the Qs get the 100-day here at the 378, 379 level, I'd be willing to pull the trigger on the fruit, Mr. Apple. I think if you can get the 20-day here, it should pop. You can have a pretty tight stop. I would say maybe this gap 165, which, 2 points to get maybe 12 to 14. Again, I wouldn't enter all at once. I would layer in. I would watch the action of the Qs that day. I think that Apple has the potential to get up to 190. So if you do the math on this, 190 and you're buying it at 168, that's a 20-point plus potential to lose 1 or 2, maybe 3 points. Just really know your stops and your entry. And again, if you start getting in at 167, maybe get in half. If it drops a little, add a little more, and then you tighten up your stop. So that is my trade alert. Come by the Discord room, check out the other videos, back to basics, daily market, weekend market recaps. We're digging deep into gold, silver, Bitcoin, all sorts of stocks. So if you don't like what you see, come by the room and tell me how much I don't know what I'm talking about, and you do, because 20 years of experience, done a little bit of trading, and I love to talk about this and share my knowledge and help people out. All right, I will talk to all of you guys and gals soon. For more trading knowledge and insight, click on the video links to the right. I appreciate you stopping by. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And if you haven't joined the Discord room, check the link in the description below.